The second way to get pictures into your gallery is to click the upload button, and you'll see a QR code appear here. Now I'm going to grab my phone here and I'm going to open my camera, and I'm going to point my camera at that little QR code, and what you should see appear there is a little URL. I'm just going to show it to my other screen here so you can see. A URL has appeared, and I'm going to click on that, and what that's going to do is connect my phone with my photos in it to my computer and the RapidStudio software that is open. So you can see on the screen it is busy with a little circle going, and it's connecting. And on my phone I'm getting the option upload images. Yes, I want to take pictures from my phone because that's where I store most of my memories these days. It's asking me where do I want to get the pictures from, my photo library. And it just opens up to my photos to begin with, but I'm going to choose my albums, and I use the favorites button on my phone to shortlist my pictures. So then I'm just going to choose a picture there that I want to add into my calendar from my phone, and you can see it's busy uploading there. And it was a picture of me with a snowman, and if we scroll down to the bottom of our gallery, we should see a little snowman picture there, and it has uploaded from my phone into the software. And that's really quick because it's really nice not to have to download the pictures from my iPhone onto my computer, or download them from my iCloud onto my computer's hard drive and then back into the ecosystem of the RapidStudio editor. So I really like that.